Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video transitions to text on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select text and add a default text, and I'm just going to type anything you want. So I'm just going to split it in threes. Oh. There you go. And then I'm just going to select these three. You can add in some of like these effects if you want, like styles I mean, to your text if you want. I'm just going to add that quickly. Select it, right click and select create compound clip, and here's where you can add in video transitions. I'm just going to add in a background here. Can add any background that you want, and then you're just going to go to the part where the text changes here, and also here. Then you are going to go to transitions, and then you're just going to add in your video transitions here. For instance, you want to add this distortion one, the stretch left. You can just add it to your clip like so, or maybe a keep one or an open one like that. It's mostly going to add on the background too, so keep that in mind. If you don't want it to be added to the background, just delete it and it's going to be added to this instead. It's more tricky to add video transitions to text though. For instance, this one, it's going to split some of the background with it. Maybe this one won't do much to it. It's just going to affect the text. So make sure you select the correct video transitions. And I'm just going to add in this one. And that is basically how you can add video transitions to text on CapCut PC. This is the result. If you want, you can right click again and then group them, I think. Or you can just export this if you want this as an overlay, and then you can add it as an overlay. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!